Okay, we're going to look at the solution now to number 8 multiple choice as part of your sample quiz at the end of chapter 6 in book 3 on pages 41 to 43. It's asking us to find a volume of a right circular cone with base radius 3 centimeters and altitude 10 centimeters. Okay, now a right cylinder cone is the cone we've been working with. It's the only one, and I'll just see if I can draw one here. Okay, here's your cone. A right circular cone means that the radius is perpendicular to the height, okay, right here. So this is called the height of the cone. This is the radius of the cone. It's the radius of the bottom circle, because the base of a cone of a right at the bottom one surface is a circle, and this is called the lateral height. Okay, so H is always refers to in 90 degrees. H is the perpendicular height. Okay, now we're asked to find a volume of a cone. You have to recognize your formulas. I have the list of formulas down there that on the bottom of your screen that you will be given on any test or exam. So you need to know which one is the volume of a cone. Obviously this is the volume list. Which one is a cone? The first one is a rectangular prism. Second one is a cylinder, and 1/3 the volume of a cylinder is a cone. So this is the volume of a right circular cone. So it has a circular base and the radius is perpendicular to the height. It means it's a right angle. So 1/3 pi r squared h. So let's get rid of the rest of this. We don't need it. Alright, now, so we need two things. We only have two variables here, right? We need to find the height and the radius. We do not need the lateral height. The lateral height is needed for surface area, not for volume. Okay? So all we need are R and H, and we're given both. Radius is 3 centimeters, and the altitude, which means a perpendicular height, right, which is the one we need, is 10 centimeters. Okay, so the volume here is simply now a calculator problem. 1/3 pi times 3 squared times 10. So putting that in our calculator on. Now, if you want to put 1/3 in as a fraction, the shortcut to the fraction window is alpha y equals. So alpha, the green button, y equals, brings you to your fraction window. N over D means a regular, improper, or proper fraction. So we hit that, we get 1. Use your arrows to move around, to go down to the denominator, put in 3. Use your arrow, your right arrow, to go over. Now put in pi. Pi is right there above the hat or exponent button. So second pi, it's in blue, so we have to use our second button. And then open bracket 3, and I type it just like I see it. Close bracket squared, and then times 10. So yes, you can see I'm using exactly what and I always use brackets. Notice I always use parentheses when substituting. It's a good habit. And enter. So in this one I get 94.247 da 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 da. Now let's see what we got for an answer. And again, volume is in cubic centimeters, and I can see B up there is 94.2. So there's the volume of this right circular cone. So the answer is B. Okay,